A small flower that even beginners can learn, with simple stitches and no mistakes for newbies. It can be made into hair clips, hanging ornaments, or other decorations. Using Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, and a 2mm crochet hook, yarn over to start a chain stitch, then wrap the yarn around the hook to pull up 9 chain stitches. Complete the 9 chain stitches, and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Next, crochet petals on the ring, make 4 chain stitches. Then crochet 4 treble crochets on the ring. Crochet 4 chain stitches. One petal is done. Repeat the same method to complete the remaining 4 petals, totaling 5 petals. Once all 5 petals are completed, cut the yarn. Switch to a new color to crochet the upper layer petals, pass through the loop, yarn over and pull through, then crochet 7 chain stitches bateau. Crochet 1 treble crochet into the first space of this petal. Then crochet 1 treble crochet into each of the remaining 4 spaces, totaling 5 treble crochets.
The one I love. They know the one I love.
Then crochet 7 chain stitches. Slip stitch in the middle position between 2 petals. 1 petal is done. Repeat the same method to complete the remaining 4 petals.